Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado kuhitukira Ngavana Joseph Ole Lenku nimenereirie ruhoge rwa kuramata nyamu cia githaka guku bururi-ini KWS akiuga ruhoge ruu nirurekereirie nyamu cia githaka iria iroraga andu na guthukangia migunda ya andu kaunti-ini iyo.
They are chasing our animals with helicopters and killing them. And we want to sound a warning that going forward, KWS should consider removing all livestock in our ranches. Our people have been killed by this wildlife.
Ole Lenku ni augite ruhoge ruu rwaga gutangikira uhoro uyu, thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado na aikari a Kajiado nimekung'ethanira na nyamu icio cia githaka.
As the Maasai community, we are no longer going to be custodian for wildlife without pay. And so I want to put that emphasis and say, we have had enough. Enough is enough. KWS to come and put the offer on the table, or tomorrow take away the elephants from our ranches.
Miario ino ya Ole Lenku ni ikiretwo hinya ni seneta wa guthukio Meri seneta na speaker wa bunge ya kaunti ya Kajiado Johnson Osoi aria maugite nyamu ici cia githaka ciagiriirwo ni gukorwo ikimaguna no ti kumagagia. Kaunti ya Kajiado ikoragwo na mugunda wa nyamu wa Amboseli na ni ikoragwo ithiururukiirio ni mugunda wa nyamu wa Nairobi na Tsavo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwihaki wa Dogo.